name's Jose from Bay Area Film Solutions. We have a 2022 Tesla Model Y here that we installed our windshield protection film from Bray. Basically helps to protect it from rock chips, cracking, any other element. If you look a little closer, you see all the damage over the past year that the car's had, different pitting, different rock chips that have hit it. It's all stained from stuff, from the street, but we'll start pulling it off here, and you can see how basically brand new this windshield is gonna look like once we pull this film off. No rock chips, it's pretty much gonna be perfect. And literally it just comes right off. And you can see the difference here. And look at how clean and brand new fresh this windshield is. All the different rock chips that have hit it, bugs, much till we get to here. And you'll see how perfect. This windshield is brand new. These right here, pull it off right here. So this one actually went through the film a little bit, and look, it's just glue. Same thing, crease the film, glue just comes right off. That's incredible. See, this one went through, and most of it was glue. You feel a little bit of a pit. If we wouldn't have had the film, that would have cracked the windshield. That was that hard of an impact. So if you get a big enough rock, obviously it's gonna, go through, but that basically helped preserve the original factory seal. Just keep pulling here. One here. Just glue. Most of these are just glue. This was a big one, went through, but again, so hard that it fitted the windshield, but it saved it from cracking.
That is incredible how much damage that absorbed.
Wipe it down. Removes most of the little glue spots. And that's a year, 25,000 miles of hard driving on this car, and it's got 3 spots on the windshield where you probably fill that. Other than that, just leave it. We'll put a new layer of film on here. Also record the process, and you'll see basically you have a brand new windshield. Hydrophobic, so you don't even need to ceramic coat it. But anyways, we'll show you the install process here coming soon.